Welcome back, everyone. Today, here we are again with another lesson of grammar. Today, we will learn how to express the sense of possession in Nihongo. So, the syntax is something like noun 1, no, noun 2, this. Meaning noun 2 belongs to noun 1, or you can say noun 1 apostrophe s noun 2. So we'll see some examples. Let's say we have a person named Suzuki, and obviously for honorific we add san. So Suzuki's son no pen this. That means the pen belongs to Suzuki-san. So Suzuki-san's pen. Suzuki-san no pen this. Similarly, you could say Oto-san no pen this, Sensei no pen this, and so on. Let's see another example. Watashi no hon desu. Watashi means I or me. No, hon is book. This that means the hon or the book belongs to me. So it's my book. The translation would be it's my book. Watashi no hon desu. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.